Did you notice how the sentiment score for cloud has jumped to plus 0.52 with a momentum of plus 0.17? This is a significant spike compared to the historical baseline, suggesting a sudden surge in positive sentiment. It's not just noise. The 18 semantic clusters indicate diverse discussions happening around this topic right now. With our API, you get detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters, all tailored to your specific needs. Imagine integrating this into your application to enhance user engagement by delivering insights on cloud technologies that resonate with your audience. If you're looking to dive deeper into this data and leverage it in your projects, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.